Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool which is having different AI writing templates, and also it offers some free words to write our content. So let us go on to today's video and explore how that AI tool will works out, and it is also having an inbuilt chatbot. So we will give some research prompts in this particular chatbot, and we will try to get better results out of that particular AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to analyze different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of it using our different research prompts. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. Our main objective is to make your research paper writing simple using different types of AI tools. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Ramban AI. So here you can see this is the page of this Ramban AI. So click start writing for free. It will ask your Gmail ID, that is mail ID, to continue. So I have already logged in. So I have see the dashboard here. So this is the dashboard of this Ramban AI. So here you will be having different options. So here you can see that templates, AI article wizard, smart editor, AI rewriter, AI images, AI voiceover, AI speech to text, AI chat, AI vision, AI file chat, AI web chat, AI chat image, AI code, brand voice, documents, etc. So these are the different categories available in this Ramban AI. So you can check any one of this to get a better research content out. First we will check out templates. What are the different templates available, whether we can check whether any unique templates are available or not. So here you can see that so these are some of the unique templates. 𝐸Astromer, so culinary creator, adventure planner, this we no need. So here you can see that this is a 𝐸Astromer. So here these are the different categories available in this particular Ramban AI. So these are the different categories available. You must have ads, blog post, contents, e-commerce, emails, frameworks, marketing, social media, video, website and others. So first I am going to click this must have. So these are the different templates which is must have templates. So after that you can click on contents. So this contents category will help us to write a research paper. So there are many references templates available here. So here you can see that. So article generator, content rewriter, paragraph generator, talking points, pros and cons, summarized text, product description, startup name generator. So as like many of the AI tools in this kind will have this kind of AI templates only. So here there is no unique templates are available. It's a formal template what all other AI content AI tool have. So we will move on to next important thing is chat. So the important thing in this chat is that there are different options are available. So there are 100 plus different types of trained chatbots are available. So you can select whatever you want. So here you can see this one is very unique because in many other AI tools there are only few chatbots, only trained chatbots only available. So here you can see there is many number of chatbots is available. So especially you can see that there are different categories also: business, coach, education, health, leisure, specialist, others, etc. So here I am going to click this education. So in this education you can see that screenwriter, storyteller, poet, philosopher, AI writing tutor, academician. So these are the different templates available, as we have already experienced with this academician PhD Lupin. So just I am going to click on this academician. So here what you can do is you can type your message you want. For example, in order to explore this, so I am going to copy and paste random 5 references here. So here you can see that I am going to take random references. So here this is the random references I am going to take. So I am going to take this references and paste this references here and give an input prompt like that: from the above references make a literature review with proper citation. So here like that you can give an input prompt. So let us see how this chatbot will generate answer for us. So here you can see that a better answer only generated. So let us see, it will still generating. Yes, our content is generated. So again with the references it is generating. Here you can see that electric vehicles are increasingly being integrated into microgrids to facilitate bidirectional enabling vehicle to grid services. The paper presents a literature review on a recent advancement in V2G technology within microgrid, focusing bidirectional droop converter DC for charging station. So like that it is generate a better content for us. So you can use this. This is the references which is having proper citation. So like that you can make literature review using this tool. So other than that, there are many common contents you can generate. You can generate the content. So by giving an input prompt, you can generate abstract, conclusion and common content for the research paper writing also. So you can copy and paste this table also, and you can ask for explanation of the table. So it will give. So as like a ChatGPT like a chatbot, it will generate all the answers which is related to research. So this is a chatbot which is specially designed for research. That is very important. PhD Lupin. This is trained. As you can see, this name is familiar with many of the AI tools having this kind of chatbot. So it will generate a better content for your research paper writing. So you can make use of this option. Apart from this, you can see in education, so these are the different things available. Poet, philosopher, AI writing tutor. So you can use this AI writing tutor to get an idea how to write using AI tools. So this will be also very helpful for you. So these are the different chatbots available in this particular Ramban AI. So apart from this, here you can see that coach. So here you can see motivational speaker, relationship coach, life coach, personal trainer, talent coach, debate coach, etc. So these are the different things are available. In specialist you can see job interviewer, English translator and improver, tech reviewer. So you can copy and paste the content here and you can ask for a review. And then you can see journalist, movie critic, composer, advertiser, legal advertiser, next recruiter. So these are the SEO specialists. So these are the different chatbots are available. So the unique thing in this particular Ramban AI is that the chatbots which is having different chatbots available. So you can make use of this option in this Ramban AI to use many of the chatbot. So apart from this, you can see that AI Vision. So just to click on this AI Vision. So you can generate image using this AI images. So here you can see this is AI Vision. So click on AI Vision. So here you can see that drop your images to analyze here. So you can add your images and you can get the explanation of the image easily. So if you want the explanation of a block diagram of your research paper, so you can add here and get your block diagram explained. So next one is AI file chat. So here you can see you can upload Word, PDF or chat files. So you can upload this file and you can chat with files for your especially when uploaded your reference papers, you can chat with that reference paper to make a better content out of it to make a literature review. So apart from this, you can see that AI code. So it will generate different types of codes here. So here you can see these are the different languages are available. Python, starting from Python, HTML, JavaScript, C, C++, Shell, Shift, TypeScript. So these are the different languages are available. So whatever the languages you want, you can select and you can generate a new code using this Ramban AI. So apart from this, you can have different options like AI voiceover, AI speech to text. So next brand voice. So these are the different unique options available in this Ramban AI. So the only thing is that as far as research paper writing is concerned, so you will be having different types of chatbots available. So here you can use any of the chatbot to analyze or you to get a perfect answer for your research questions. So make use of this Ramban AI. So you can get 1000 words for free. So after 1000 words you have to go for subscription option. So here you can see that. So this is the monthly plans for trial. The first plan is trial. So it is rupees only 79 per month. So here you can use up to 10,000 words and you can use 10 DALL-E images, 60 minutes, etc. But only limited to 10,000 words only, so you will not get unlimited access. So in LMS research support, so you can have for just 99 you can have unlimited access for our templates, so you can make use of this option also. For 199 you can use up to 30,000 words. For 549, so you can have unlimited words only. So for 549 only it will giving unlimited words, so you can check it out with our AI tool also, LMS research support. So you can use that AI tools, all the templates are available there itself also. So you can make use of this Ramban AI. Go on and explore with this 1000 free words which is given in this Ramban AI to generate a better content for your research paper. If it works out well, if you want to use the unique options available in this Ramban AI, you can go for subscription options. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.